Hey guys, Mo Morales here, and I am unboxing the X-T50. It just got here from Alan's Camera, so let's see what's in the box, all right? And thank you for the staff at Alan's Camera to making sure that my order came through, and thank you for me for being a fast pre-orderer. This is not a fancy this is not a fancy flossy carter knife. It's just your box cutter. It's what we all need in life, a simple box cutter. Coffee beans over there. See, I love this about Alan's Camera. They give you peanuts, which I could then recycle at another use when I need to ship something out, because I do a lot of secondhand selling. This is a much smaller box than I was anticipating. But I've never actually unpacked a X-T double-digit body before. So my expectations of it being a smaller box is all in my own head, not necessarily that Fuji dropped the ball or anything. So again, here it is, the X-T50. Simple books and stuff, flossy and carded. Oh, here we go. It is a simple setup. Feels like I'm missing a layer here. So a USB-C headphone adapter, a strap, a charging cable, and a battery. That's it. Bare bones as it gets. I don't know. This is slightly underwhelming. How do you guys feel? I feel slightly underwhelmed. There's no other stuff in the box. I was expecting more. I got the charcoal one. There it is. What do you guys think? Very lightweight. I can't wait to get out there and start using it. Okay guys, so I've got a couple lenses out here for you guys to take a look at what you're going to be looking at once you get it in your own hands. So first thing we want to show you is how it stacks up to the X-T5. So here's the X-T5 and here's the X-T50. As you can see, it is considerably, oh, I just touched the sensor. I am an idiot. I'll have to clean that later. So as you can see, it is a considerable difference in size. And as far as feel, it definitely feels a lot lighter. I'm going to take out the scale and weigh it. So the X-T5, we already know it's with my setup and the battery, it's 567 grams with 2 memory cards. No memory card and the battery. X-T50 is 445 grams. That's over 100 grams of a difference there. All right, so let's put a couple of lenses on here for comparison. So this is the Sigma 18-50, and that's what we're working with here, 18-50. Of course, this is expandable. And now this is the Sigma 56 millimeter f1.4. This feels really nice and compact and light. Now let's bring in a big boy or big girl. This is the Viltrox 27 millimeter f1.2. This kit right here brings it to 1,000 grams. And then, if you guys haven't noticed the Sigma trend here, this is the Sigma 100 to 400 on the X-T50 with a secondhand aftermarket tripod collar. This kit is $1680 1,680 grams, roughly, give or take. So this is the kit I'm gonna be running with for the next couple of days until I get the feel for it and then understand how it works for me. I'm not gonna add a grip to it. I'm not gonna add a thumb grip to it. I'm not going to add a shutter release. I might add a shutter release to it. I'm really partial to shutter releases. And then walk around with it, see how I feel just using this setup here. Oh, hold on. Let me get the 18mm f2. Just wanted to make sure everyone got to see PJ today, because I love PJ, and I think some of you guys also love PJ as well. All right, I'll get you a snack in a second, sir. And this is going to be the main kit I'm going to be rocking with it, to be honest with you. This is the reason I picked up the 18mm f2 without its lens hood attachment, which, as you can tell, it's the squared off one. This is how big this kit is going to be. This is ridiculously lightweight, and it's giving me a 27mm, 28mm field of view, and I can't tell you how happy I am with this. The grip on this X-T50 is the best grip I've had on any XT body, the X-T20, 30, 32. This is definitely a great feeling grip. Not sure how I'm going to be using this film simulation dial. It's really not impacting me, because when I've used the X-T30 and the X-T20 in the past, this was just a drive mode for me, so it wasn't a button or a control that came in very handy for me. But either way, all right, that's it. I just wanted to take a couple minutes to introduce you to my new friend, and hopefully her and I can create some wonderful magic. But I definitely love the feel of this leather. I love the look of the charcoal, and I just can't wait to put it out to some use and see if it's going to actually stay in my rotation, or is it going to be another one of a Magical Mo's casualty and sell it quickly while the market's still hot. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for stopping by. That's my quick unboxing and lens comparison type of thing. All right, until next time, stay strong, stay positive, always love, respect the beard. Let me know if you have any questions about this X-T50, and I'll try to answer them as best I can without going into a deep Gerald Undone dive or a Gordon Lang dive. That's what they're there for. I'm just an old guy that likes to walk and happens to be into photography. So take care, guys.